So today I am working from home, but I decided to do my 5 minute makeup routine because it just makes me feel more professional. It makes me feel like I am in a routine. So I'm going to film this for you guys. This literally takes 5 minutes. You can do it when you're going out, when you're working from a cafe, when you're working at home, or suddenly if you have to go out. This is super simple, super easy. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope this video helps you all. And like I always say, let's jazz it up. So I honestly feel like skincare is so important before you start doing your makeup. So I'm just going to show you like the basics I do. I don't do a lot of skincare. I do it according to how my skin is acting up. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and use my toner pads to clean any dirt that I have. And I just like to use it even though I've just come out of a shower. I think this really also balances the pH level of my skin. So toner pads are a must. So after I use my toner pads, I go in with an eye cream. I think eye creams are so important and they're so underrated. A lot of people don't use it, but when you put your concealer and you apply your makeup, then your makeup will crease. So make sure that you apply an eye cream. Also, the area under your eye is extremely sensitive. The cream that I'm using is from ELF. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my moisturizer. I want to recommend this one to you guys. I have been using it and I love it. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Glycolic Bright Glowing Cream Day SPF 17. I absolutely love this one. I don't know, it like really hydrates my skin and the makeup sits wonderfully on this one. It's so creamy, it's so smooth, and it just makes my skin feel really hydrated and fresh. Now, whenever you want to do a look that is really natural, you have to be really smart. You have to use products that can be used as multi-purpose products. Like you have to use a concealer that can be used as a concealer, a color corrector, and a foundation. So I have a product like this. This is from LA Girl. I absolutely love this. This is my concealer and it is in the shade Pure Beige. I absolutely love this one. I put it over any blemishes, any darkness, any pigmentation I have, and it acts like a color corrector as well as a concealer. Now I'm going to take in my concealer brush and I'm just going to blend it all, and you're going to see that this blends in so beautifully. I mean, all the darkness, all the pigmentation is just covered with this one concealer. I mean, do you see? It is so good. It is so creamy. It is affordable. It's a drugstore product, but it is something that I have started using like every day. I do not leave the house without this now. Now that I have my concealer on, it already looks like, color corrected. It looks one tone. All my pigmentation is hidden. I usually take another concealer and I get done with my base, but since I'm shooting a video, I'll show you all how to use a foundation as well. So I'm going to use my foundation from Estee Lauder. Now this one is extremely close to my skin tone and it literally looks like a skin tint. And I'm just going to I mean, here it's in front of you guys. Like, look how natural this is. And I'm just going to apply it with my fingers, like really less. I'm then going to take in my brush and just very gently blend it all into my skin. I mean, it's here right in front of you all. I'm doing this on camera and you all can see how natural this looks. And take it down to your neck always. Now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm just going to take in my beauty blender and dab everything so that it just doesn't look cakey later and everything blends in really perfectly. Now I'm going to take in my concealer from Maybelline. I think this is the Fit Me concealer and I'm in the number 20. And I love this one. The coverage is amazing and I'm just going to use it under my eyes to slightly brighten and on any spots that I have. And again, you just want to take in your beauty blender, your brush, whatever you're comfortable with, and just blend. Always want to look up when you're blending your concealer so that this part gets covered. And all of it is really blended well. Now I'm definitely not going to bake. I'm not going to do anything extreme. I'm going to go with a finishing powder. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade medium. This is extremely lightweight and the coverage is amazing. It just mattifies everything and it gives you a blurring effect. So I always say this in almost all of my videos. If you want to invest in a powder, a finishing powder, something that is light and something that is amazing, it's this one by Charlotte Tilbury. Now we're going to go ahead and do our brows. I'm going to keep it really light, and I love this eyebrow palette from PAC. It has four colors, four shades. So just and it's a multi-purpose one. I also use it as an eyeliner, so this is great. It also comes with a brush, so I'm just going to brush my brows in an upward direction. That's how I like to do my brows. Then I'm going to take these two colors, not jet black, I just want to do brown or gray. And then I'm just going to very lightly just fill them in, very natural. Oh my god, can you see how it filled all the gaps? Like, this one is amazing. So this brow has more gaps than this one, so I'm just gonna very naturally fill this, and upward strokes in the beginning always. So tell me, what do you guys think? I think it's really natural, it's really minimal. And now we're going to go ahead and apply blushes. This is my blush from Rare Beauty. I'm using it after ages. It's in the shade Happy. I am just going to apply it here so that it just gives my cheeks an uplifted look, a little bit on my nose so that it looks very sun-kissed and very natural. So whenever I'm doing my everyday makeup, like if I want to go sit at a cafe, if I want to work, if I want to go meet my friends, or if I just want to do this makeup at home, I don't do any bronzing, I don't do highlighters, I just make sure I do blush and I just cover everything and it looks very fresh. So you have to remember that this blush is pigmented, the Rare Beauty one. So I'm going to use a contour brush and I'm just gonna blend it upwards. And I love the color, I think it's so pretty. And just see, it gives such a beautiful and natural flush to your cheeks. Now I love mixing my blush shade, so I'm gonna go in with this one from Nude Sticks, and I'm just gonna apply it here on the apple of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. And I am going to use a beauty blender. Do you see, it looks so beautiful when both the colors are mixed and it looks really natural. So for an everyday look, I think this is just perfect. So I have this mini palette by Huda Beauty. It's called their Rose palette and I love the shades. As you can see, I've almost finished it. So I'm just going to take this color of brown and I'm just going to apply one shade all over my lid and crease area. So it's just, so this is just going to hide any pigmentation that you have on your eyes. Now never ever forget your lower lash line. Honestly, I'm just going to put lots of mascara and you guys will see the difference a good mascara makes. I don't like using an eyelash curler because I just like being natural and I feel like that can just ruin your lashes. Now, whenever I do my lips, I don't like to overline them. I don't like to use any dark colors as a lip liner. Instead, I use a nude lip liner and I hide any pigmentation that I have so that it just looks like the natural color of my lips. So I'm going to use this lip liner from PAC. I love it. It's so nude, it's so neutral. It doesn't look extra. Then go in with a nude lipstick. Actually, you guys can do pink, whatever you all want. I just am a nude lip person. Now you guys can definitely leave the makeup like this, but I like to go in with a gloss. This one is from Maybelline and it's really natural and I'll show you. I love their glosses. It is the exact shade of the lip colors. And just a little bit. Now don't kill me, but I need another blush. So I'm going to use this one by Rare Beauty again and just here. Just like little. Just see. Mm, this is so pretty. It's just gonna look like someone's pinched my cheeks. Like so natural and so light. So my loves, this is the final video. Like I promised, it's easy, it's quick, it can be done in 5 minutes, it's very minimal and I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see any other makeup videos, hair videos, lifestyle, diet, and I'll make them for you all. I love you guys and see you all super soon.